Hello, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share a profound message that nature reveals to us every day. Abundance is our nature. Look around you. Nature always provides. The rain nourishes the earth, the leaves unfurl, and the rivers flow with life-giving water. These natural wonders are constants, silently assuring us that we are always provided for. Yet, in our human journey, we often feel a sense of lack. We chase after more, driven by a belief that we don't have enough. We hoard, we greed, and we strive for what we think will fill the void. But this sense of lack is just an illusion. When we observe nature, we see the truth. The trees don't hoard their leaves, the rivers don't hold back their water, and the rain doesn't withhold its nourishment. Everything in nature flows freely, generously, and abundantly. Nature teaches us that there is no need to hoard or greed. There is plenty for everyone. The abundance we see in nature is a reflection of the abundance within us. We are always provided for, in ways both seen and unseen. Trust in this natural abundance. Let go of the fear of lack. Embrace the flow of life, knowing that just like the rain, the leaves, and the rivers, you too are part of this infinite cycle of provision. Remember, abundance is our nature. There is no lack, only the illusion of it. By observing nature, we can see that we are always supported, always provided for. Thank you for joining me in this reflection. May you find peace and assurance in the abundant flow of life. Until next time, stay blessed and remember, you are always provided for.